model, 64-plate Vauxhall Combo L1 Diesel 2300 1.6 CDTI 16V 105ps H1 crew van. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174,822. MOT, 8 March 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 dB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. It will need the driver side coil spring replacing as soon as possible, still starts and drives. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Perfect to be used for work vehicle and family vehicle. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI,